today. This is Walter from Expat Auto in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Just wanted to give you a little update on the kind of work we do in here. We do have a full service shop, and I just want to show you like how we deal with used cars, especially the older ones. I've got one right here. It's a 2008 Nissan Tida. The car came in, it's in pretty good shape, but what we do with every car like that is we take all four wheels off and check the brakes. If they're bad, we change them. Like here, this had a little bit of a leaking wheel cylinder, changed already. Come around the front here, on the suspension, we had some worn suspension bushings, so we just changed this unit out and you got 3 brand new support bushings. The shocks are being rebuilt right now, so we'll have rebuilt shocks on it. Turn the front disc, put front brakes on it, okay? And right over here, this mechanic, you can take a shot in closer here. The valve cover gasket was leaking a little on this, so we're changing the valve cover gasket so it doesn't leak and putting some new spark plugs in it. Okay, come on around this way. You can see here on the floor some of these components that we're changing out, and I can honestly tell you that none of these are actually junk. They just have a lot of wear, and so we just replace them to stop any potential problems. I can tell you for a fact there's no other dealer in northern Thailand that will do this to a used car before it goes on the showroom. This car could have been cleaned up and, like I'll show you right here, cosmetically fix the little paint issues, and then that car would have been put on the showroom for sale. But when you buy it at Expat Auto, we've gone through it the best we can, changing the fluids and getting everything ready to go. So when you get it, it's as trouble-free as possible. Doesn't make these cars perfect, but they're a lot better than I would say a lot of our competitors, or if you just buy from an individual. So think that over before you buy a used car, especially an older used car. And if you're buying a much newer used car, like we have cars out here from 2023, 22s, 21s, 20s, all those that are under dealer manufacturer warranty, we take them back out there and have them serviced before they go on the lot out here. So we do appreciate your business. We've been doing this 15 or 16 years in Chiang Mai. And I want to show you one more thing. Right over here, you see to my right, there is a complete overhaul going on. This happens to be a Mitsubishi Triton diesel, and we have a full service shop here. We've got some of the best mechanics in town, so we can do full overhauls and so forth. This truck engine getting new valves, new rings, new bearings, everything new. So if you have any issues, come on into Expat Auto and we can discuss them. We can give you some estimates and so forth. Thanks very much.